We have to calculate the capacitance between A and B. So where the cell will come like this. So you can break up that into two parts, no? BAP, and so let me take this as a point P. So directly, what is the potential difference? So what are the charges? How the charges will be? Here it will send a charge plus Q. The plus Q will deposit here. Fine. So here you treat this is like a dielectric medium only, so you can just bring like this. Huh? No problem for you. Only concentric shell where it is there. A and B are concentric shells. A and B are thin concentric shells. A and B are thin concentric shells. The space between them is filled by dielectric materials as shown. K1 is filled from R to 2R, K2 is filled from 2R to 3R. So instead of solving again directly, you know the previous concept what we discussed, potential difference VAP. How do these two capacitors VAP and PB, they'll be in series or they'll be in parallel? They'll be in series, no? You can look at the chart distribution that will help us. They're in series. So first you calculate, find out the capacitance CAP, then find out capacitance CPB, then they are in series, then effective capacitance you determine. How to find out capacitance VAP? So directly straight away go back to the formula what we have, 4 pi epsilon naught K1. Here A is R, B is 2R. I'll still retain that formula so that it will help you. So here CAP should be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. The same method K1. Here A is R, 2R by 2R minus R. So 4 pi epsilon naught K1. This will be only 2R. So CAP will be equal to 8 pi epsilon naught K1R. Similarly, CPB, 3R, 2R, 3R minus 2R. So 4 pi epsilon naught K2, 6R it will be. So 24 pi epsilon naught K2R. How they are effective capacitance CAB? 1 by CAB equal to 1 by CAP plus 1 by CPB. Substituting this, here also the what all we did for parallel plate, no, the similar method. 8 pi epsilon naught R, 1 by K1 plus 3K2. So CAB will be equal to 24 pi epsilon naught R K1 K2 by 3K2 plus K1. I think this will be a better idea for you. Easiest way in exams, no, because rather than going and integrating, no, so you do remember capacitance of a concentric shells between the region AB with slab, without slab. Then anything if they ask you, no, bring the idea of like this. It'll be much easier in exams. You can't integrate, substitute, limit, and also directly you must be ready with a basic formulas. That's what I suggest you. Okay, no? So now after this, we'll go for some small concept. Displacement